A very warm good morning to one and all present here. My name is Alok Singh. I'm a student of BCA AQ 4th Sem Batch 3, and today I'm standing here to present my presentation on a topic ER model. So let's start the presentation. So what is an ER model? A ER model stands for Entity Relationship Model, which is used to design and represent database visually. It was developed by Peter Chen in 1976, and it shows a relationship between entities in a system and used in a database planning and management. So the main components of a ER model are entity, attributes, relationship, keys, cardinality, and participation constraints. So let us stand one by one. First is entity. An entity is a real world object or thing. It can be a person, place, object, or event. It is represented by a rectangle in ER diagram. For example, a student or a teacher. Now the next is type of entities. There are mainly three type of entities: strong entity, weak entity, and associative entity. Strong entity exists independently, whereas weak entity is dependent on other entities, and associative are represented by many to many relationships. Now the next component is attributes. Attributes describes the properties of entities, and it represented by using ovals, and it is example are student name or roll number, such as the attributes are. There are mainly four types of attributes, that is simple attributes, composite, derived, and multi-valued. Simple is it cannot be divided into furthers. Composite can be divided into subparts. Derived can be calculated from another attributes, and multi-valued store multiple values. Now the next one is relationship. A relationship shows association between entities. It is represented using a diamond shape. For example, student enrolls in a course. And there are mainly four type of relationships, that is one to one to many to one, and many to many. And there are also keys important in ER model, such as primary key, foreign key, candidate key, and a composite key. Next. Now the next component is cardinality. Cardinality is defines the number of entities involved in their relationships. It helps in understanding database structure, and example are one teacher teaches many students. Now the next one is participation constant. There are total participation and partial. In total, the entity must participate, it is compulsory, and in partial it is not optional, means not is compulsory. Now the advantages of ER model is it is easy to understand, it improves database design, it helps reduce redundancy and provides clear visualization. The application where we use ER model are banking system, hospital management, school and college database, and e-commerce applications. At the last, the conclusion of the ER model is it is an important tool in database design which helps to organize data efficiently and understand ER concept, improves data management. That's all from my side. Thank you.